Hey, thanks for taking the time to join us on Polk Place. I'm Brian Lacey, and joining us in studio from the Polk County Sheriff's Office Animal Control Unit. She is the administrator for the Polk County Sheriff's Office Animal Control Unit. Her name is Marie Herbster. Welcome to the show.
Thank you so much for having me.
First time, and
Yes.
you better start coming in more too.
That's what I hope to do.
Exactly, and you know the cool thing, you brought us a baby. And I'm
Yeah.
not sure if you're aware of this. When you brought her in, did you expect the amount of outpouring from the staff?
No.
Yeah.
No, it was insane. Everyone came in and was so excited to see her, and they sent out the whole puppy alert, so everyone came running.
Well, first time on the show, I want you to talk a little bit about
Roxy.
Roxy. What kind of dog is she? How old is she? And how can folks go about adopting her?
So Roxy's a 5-month-old cur, so we think she's mixed with something. So she is either Dalmatian and Settler, or she has something in her to have all those spots on her. And to adopt her, what you can do is just come down to Animal Control. We're located at 7115 DeCastro Road, and our adoption hours are 10 to 4, Monday through Saturday. And then they just pick her out, and we can adopt her, and we're doing free adoptions.
She is beautiful, and even though she's a little bit high energy, she make a great lap dog. Do you think she could get bigger than this? Or?
She's probably going to be about 40 or 50 pounds.
Yeah. She is adorable. So for those that might not know, what exactly is the Polk County Sheriff's Office Animal Control Unit? Talk to me a little bit about the history of it and what you guys are doing.
So we used to be part of the Board of County Commissioners, and then we were taken over by the Polk County Sheriff's Office in 2004. And ever since then, we uphold the county ordinance. So stray dogs, roaming dogs, and animals that get out and do not so good stuff.
Yeah.
We're out there and we investigate all of those calls for service. Some other stuff that we do is we get out and we do community outreach events. Yeah. We're trying to get resources out to the citizens, so we make sure that they know that their pets have to be vaccinated and licensed, and they have to have they be registered with the county. And she sure does like you.
Yeah, I think it's the cologne. She digs the Tom Ford.
And then we do community outreach. That we just did Winds and Whiskers in Mulberry, making sure that the citizens are hurricane ready, because hurricane season's coming up. Yep. And then we do adoptions, and we do, since 2018, we've done about 37,000 adoptions.
Obviously, it takes great community partners. We were talking about friends of ours.
Yes.
Between the Pit Bull Project,
yeah,
the Polk County Bully Project,
yeah.
And of course, you guys got great community partners with SPCA Florida. I mean, between those two and their no-kill initiative, and then, of course, you know, TLC Pet Snip, there is much love in this county for animals such as Roxy. Talk to me about those partners and how it helps you, guys really achieve your mission.
We couldn't do any of it without our partners. With TLC helping us with getting the animals spayed and neutered faster, with them coming to our upcoming adoption event, and they also do a bunch of community outreach with shot clinics, getting pets vaccinated, making sure that the pets are staying safe. And then the SPCA, they pull cats and dogs from us, and then they get those adopted out. And then the Polk County Bully Project, I know last year they pulled almost 600 dogs from us. Wow,
those girls, I love their work ethic and what they do for the animals within the community. I am just so proud to have them on the show. I like you too. I do. Yes. Nobody can know the ears. No. But he tastes like chicken. So you guys got an event coming up that we definitely is important. You know, every adoption program that you put on is important to the program, because finding forever homes for these furry little things, you need a forever home. Yes, you do. Yes, you do. Talk to me about that event, if you will, please.
So we have our upcoming Adoptapalooza, and it's going to be tropical themed, and we'll have pools and a bunch of water toys out for the dogs to run through, and we'll be wearing, straw hats and leis, and then we have free gifts for every adoption to come out, and the whole event will be free adoptions for cats and dogs. It'll be Saturday, June 17th from 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. at Animal Control, and we are also planning on doing, TLC is coming and doing a shot clinic there, so it'll be low-cost vaccines, and then we'll also be, the Polk County Sheriff's Office Animal Control is donating free microchips.
When she first come in, who was it that said, no, I don't think she's going to sit on your lap? Was that you, Marie?
No.
You wouldn't have said that.
No.
I don't know what it is. I don't know what it is about pets, but I think in the history of me doing this show, maybe there's two animals. Both of them were cats. And normally I get along with cats, but they wanted nothing to do with me. But this is the good stuff. So real quick, recap on the adoption process for Roxy.
So Roxy is, again, a 5-month-old cur. Obviously, she's black and white, and she's available for adoption. She just became available for adoption. And adoptions are free, and we're located at 7115 D Castro Road in Winter Haven, and they can come in between the hours of 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. and they can pick Roxy out, and then they'll take her up to the counter, they'll do the paperwork, and since we're doing free adoption, she's free.
I am having a Penguins of Madagascar moment. I'm going to call her my monochromatic friend.
Oh.
Yeah. All right, listen. Can I do the close? And then when we get down, I will love on you some more. Yes. We do the close? Can we look at Marie and tell her thank you for coming on the show? She's like,
Roxy.
Yeah. She's like, I like Patrick back there. He's swinging side to side. Oh, Marie, please come back and see me anytime that you want to talk adoptions, anytime events, anything you guys got going on. This is the first time in, and I really, really want you guys to come back, please.
We'd love to come back. Thank you so much for the invite.
All right. Polk County Sheriff's Office Animal Control Unit invites you to Adoptapalooza Saturday, June 17th, 10 a.m. to 4 p.m., 7115 DeCastro Road in Winter Haven. The day's events include free adoptions that have microchip, initial vaccinations, and county license and spay and neuter. Now, TLC Pet Snip will also be on site to provide low-cost dog vaccinations. There will be food trucks and crafters market. And if you need more information, check them out on the web at polksherif.org/animal-services, or look them up on Facebook at Polk County Animal Control.